Welcome to the Liga ng mga Barangay, Province of Bulacan Provincial Congress with the theme Barangay Governance and Disaster Response, Strengthening Capacities in the Context of Bagong Pilipinas.
At kumusta po ang bawat isa? Kami niyo po ba ay excited for our Bulacan Congress for this morning?
Why don't you look at the person to your right and say, Maayong buntag.
In your eyes, I see a glimpse of light. A new sun is coming up. So it begins. Feel the heat on your skin. A new fire is stirring up.
Nais ko rin pong ipabot sa inyong lahat ang aking mataos-pusong pagbati at bigyang pagpapahalaga ang inyong pagdalo at pakikiisa sa ating Liga ng mga Barangay Provincial Congress upang tayo ay magkasama-sama para ipamalas ang ating lakas at pagkakaisa.
Help me welcome, with your loudest applause, your President of the Liga ng mga Barangay Bulacan Chapter, Honorable Ramelito Capistrano!
These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing on. So come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a
I
dreamer.
slept and dreamt that life was a joy. I awoke and saw that life was service. I acted and behold, service was a joy.
Don't let go.
Sa barangay, magsisimula at mag-uugat ang pag-unlad, isang bagong Pilipinas na kasama at kabalikat nating tunay ang mga barangay sa pagbabago at pag-unlad.
Maraming salamat po. Lagi natin unahin sa ating kalagitnaan ng ating Panginoon Diyos. Hindi po tayo magkakamali sa ating patutunguhan at magiging desisyon sa buhay. Mabuhay ang LNB Bulacan!
These dreams, they are for chasing. Don't stop, we got to keep racing on. So come on, dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer. Dare to be a dreamer.
Congratulations po sa atin sa gobyerno. It is a thankless job, parang kayo. Despite everything, it is a blessing na nagsilbi tayo sa bayan. Kaya ako, importante, hakapin pa rin natin ang ating kababayan at panalbihan ng tunay na lingkod bayan.
These dreams, they